Hi there, today we're going to be going over how to use WordPress as a content management system for your faculty.engineering.ucdavis.edu website. To get to the login page, you must first navigate to your website, which will be, as you see in this top bar, faculty.engineering.ucdavis.edu/your username, and then add the suffix /login. And it will bring you to the UC Davis login. If this is your first time logging in, you will receive an email asking you to verify your email address and then be redirected to a page with a temporary password that's computer generated. Ignore this, as you will bypass the whole WordPress login and actually just be informed to enter your Kerberos password. If this is your first time logging in, navigate to the top right part of the screen where it says Howdy and then your account name, and click on it. And then scroll to the bottom of the page and change your password, as you will probably be using this service to update your website every time you have a new publication or want to add new information to your site. When you're done changing your password, go ahead and scroll up to the top, and on the left-hand side of the screen, you will see your menu bar. Go ahead and click on Dashboard to return to the dashboard. And then the next thing we're going to cover is screen options. Navigate to Pages on the left-hand side in your menu bar, and I will show you how to edit screen options for any page. So for example, let's go to Research Interests. If you click on the Screen Options drop-down menu, you will see a bunch of different sections that you can allow to be shown or hidden. We suggest that you keep all of these boxes checked except for custom fields, just to improve your usability. Also notice that any screen options that you keep on one post will stick you to any other posts. While you may be only using Pages for the most part, the screen options ability is also available for posts. And for any post that you change the screen options, it will be the same for all posts across the board. While editing your pages, on the right-hand side of the page, you will see an Update button. This Update button is for saving any revisions or changes you may have to the different sections in your website. Also, if we scroll down to the bottom of the page, you will see the Post Revision section if you allow it showed under your Screen Options drop-down menu. Every 3 minutes while making edits to any of your WordPress pages, WordPress will auto-save a version for you under Post Revisions. Still make sure to click Update in the top right-hand side to make sure that your posts have been saved. Post Revisions is also handy for seeing previous versions of your website from previous months or reverting back to old changes on your website. The next section we're going to be going over is how to edit your contact information. So navigate back to Pages in your menu bar on the left-hand side. Your contact information is found in the sidebar page, so click Edit. For your avatar image, your picture must be 180 pixels wide, 240 pixels tall, with a 72 dots per square inch resolution. So for example, on how to replace your image, I will delete the placeholder, and you want to click Add Media, which is above your text options. This will bring out an Insert Media option, and we are going to upload a file from the computer. So click on the Upload Files tab, and then click Select Files. And just for all intents and purposes, I'm going to re-upload the default stock image. It'll upload, and then you just insert it into the page and make sure to update your information. Feel free to edit any of the other information on your contact page, including your professor name, linking to your respective college. You can link to your departmental website by highlighting the text section and then linking to the respective URL. Also, for your email address, we suggest that you not include a direct link to your email to avoid being crawled by spammers, but instead do as such. For example, my UC Davis email is aaregal@ucdavis.edu. Instead of putting the @ symbol, I just put the words AT in the middle. When you're done editing your information, make sure you click Update on the right-hand side. To view your edits more easily, navigate to the top bar where it says your site name and then click on Visit Site. I'm going to open this in a new tab, and you can see your changes as you update them in your posts. This is the quickest way to view your changes on the live site. The next thing we'll be going over is how to create a parent section. So navigate back to Pages. If you would like more information under your research menu, we have created 2 example pages. They can be seen with dashes in front of them. We put lab members and projects. If we navigate into lab members, you will see that on the right-hand side under page attributes, there is a section called Parent. We nested the section under research interests, and it shows up as a drop-down menu on your website. The next thing we're going to be going over is how to use TeachPress and EndNote to load in your publications library. The first thing you're going to want to do is go to software.ucdavis.edu and download EndNote. EndNote will allow you to load in and export your publications library. Once you've done that, you can open your publications library. This is an example set that I have. What you're going to want to do is go to Edit and then Output Styles and select BibTeX Format. If BibTeX Export doesn't show up as an option under your Output Styles list, simply go to Open Style Manager and then scroll down to BibTeX Export and make sure the box to the left of it is checked. After you've done that, select all of your articles and then go to File, Export, and export it as a text file in BibTeX Export format. Then maneuver back to your WordPress dashboard and click under Publications and then go to Import/Export. And then what you're going to want to do is open the text file that you created with EndNote, and as you see here, just select everything and copy it and then post it into the import area under Publications and then click Import. And as you see, all of your imported publications will show. To make your imported publications show on your publications page, navigate to the Pages section, and then under Publications, click on the Edit button. As you see, there's a bunch of filler word information here currently. What you're going to want to do is select all of this and delete it, and then add the shortcode bracket TP list end bracket, and then click Update. And if we view the website now, under Publications, it'll have my EndNote library. That wraps up our WordPress tutorial. If you have any other questions, please contact your departmental IT team or email us at eacs-support@ucdavis.edu.